Imagine a world where we can grow plants without growing plants in the ground. At Ayana Bio, we're doing just that. Using plant cell culture instead of traditional agriculture, we create high-quality bioactive ingredients for food, beverages, supplements, and sports nutrition without the supply chain uncertainty. Today's botanical ingredients face major challenges, from climate change and supply chain disruptions to adulteration and contamination from pesticides and heavy metals. Saffron, for example, is the most expensive biomass on the planet, as it takes approximately 75,000 crocus flowers to yield just 1 pound of saffron. And not only is harvesting entirely manual, but crops are being impacted by climate change. Rhodiola, on the other hand, is listed as an endangered species, putting further strains on its supply, which can lead to adulteration. Additionally, contamination from heavy metals is often a real concern for crops like cacao. Ayana Bio's Plant Cell Advantage, or PCA, provides a clean, scalable, and sustainable alternative. Unlike agriculture, plant cell cultivation is free from geographic and climate constraints. And one other major advantage is that plant cell culture produces a more complete phytocomplex of bioactives and not just a single molecule like precision fermentation. Nor do we need to rely on genetic modification. Nature has already designed plant cells to produce these bioactives. What makes Ayana Bio stand out from other emerging plant cell culture companies is our partnership with Ginkgo Bioworks, which gives us access to cutting-edge multiomics capabilities, genomics, transcriptomics, and metabolomics. So we can optimize plant cell lines quickly and efficiently. We don't guess, we test. We sell our plant cell-derived ingredients to CPG brands formulating food, beverage, and supplement products, as well as to ingredient suppliers looking for a more reliable biomass source. We tap into a $20 billion global plant powder market, which includes fruit, vegetable, and botanical powders. Our top targeted ingredients are estimated at a $4.8 billion market size. We've already launched 5 Plant Cell Advantage ingredients at a small scale, including echinacea, sage, lemon balm, dog rose, and hedgenuttle. In early 2026, commercial-scale production will begin for rosmarinic acid from sage PCA, with additional Plant Cell Advantage ingredients to come online. Revenue comes from ingredient sales, partnerships, and licensing opportunities. At Ayana Bio, we're transforming the way the world sources botanicals. More reliable, more sustainable, more pure, and a more complete spectrum of bioactives, just like nature intended. Join us in building the future of plant-based bioactives.